Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 8th, 1916. For as long as the soul is in the divine will, so much of divine life can she say she lives on earth. The acts in the divine will are the simplest acts, but because they are simple, they communicate themselves to all. This morning after communion, I felt that my lovable Jesus absorbed me completely in his will in a special way, and I swam inside of it. But who can say what I felt? I have no words to express myself. Then Jesus told me,
"My daughter, for as long as the soul is in my will, so much of divine life can she say she lives on earth. How I like it when I see that the soul enters into my will to live divine life in it. I like very much to see souls who repeat in my will what my humanity did in it. I received communion, I received myself in the will of the Father, and with this I not only repaired everything, but finding immensity and all-seeingness of everything and everyone in the divine will. I embraced all, I gave communion to all, and in seeing that many would not take part in the sacrament, and that the Father was offended for they did not want to receive my life, I gave to the Father the satisfaction and the glory as if all had received communion, giving to the Father the satisfaction and the glory of a divine life for each one. You too, receive communion in my will, repeat what I did, and in this way you will not only repair everything, but will give me to all as I intended to give myself to all, and will give me the glory as if all had received communion. My heart feels moved in seeing that, unable to give me anything from her own which is worthy of me, the creature takes my things, she makes them her own, she imitates the way I did them, and to please me, she gives them to me. And I, in my delight, keep repeating, "Brava, my daughter, you have done exactly what I did."
Then he added,
"The acts in my will are the simplest acts, but because they are simple, they communicate themselves to all. The light of the sun, because it is simple, is light of every eye, yet the sun is one. One act alone in my will, like most simple light, diffuses itself in every heart, in every work, in every one, yet the act is one. My very being, because it is most simple, is one single act, but an act which contains everything. It has no feet, but is the step of all, no eyes, but is the eye and the light of all. It gives life to everything, but with no effort, with no toil, yet it gives the act of operating to all. So the soul in my will becomes simple, and together with me she multiplies in all, and does good to all. Oh, if all comprehended the immense value of the acts, even the littlest, done in my will, they would let not one act escape them.